Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Realme GT 6T meets the software prerequisite. Go to Settings and check Realme UI Build and Security Patches. Once done, open Display and tap Dynamic Island to enable the feature, because the system toggles the UI surface and notification hooks. Make sure to accept notification access and overlay permission when dialogues appear. Without them, apps cannot send adaptive activity bubbles. This initial setup attaches the Dynamic Island system service to the status area so it can receive live events and interactions. Next, you configure which apps display into the Dynamic Island and why that matters. Go into Dynamic Island settings and pick Allowed Apps so only relevant notifications appear, reducing noise. Once selected, enable persistent bubbles for music, calls, navigation, and timers. Persistent bubbles keep controls accessible. Make sure to fine-tune animation speed and peak sensitivity to match your touch style, because slower animations can improve clarity, while higher sensitivity reduces missed taps during quick glances. Finally, you learn the final interactions and a key troubleshooting tip. Tap the Dynamic Island to reveal compact controls and long press to expand the full app view so you can manage playback or calls without switching apps. If the island stops responding, restart the system UI process or reboot the phone to reattach notification services. If problems persist, reset Dynamic Island settings in Display to clear corrupt preferences before considering a factory restore. This preserves data while fixing misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.